Hey everyone, this is Joe with nCLOSE. We're going to be going over the installation of the battery pack and the hand strap to your Mini 6 iDynamo 6 docking module. So first thing that you want to do is locate the 2A2A 306 cable. It's USB-C to USB-C. Plug in one side to the 2A2F cable previously installed. Plug that in. Take your battery pack and locate the stopper that's at the bottom of the module here. Then take your cable, route it into the cable management slot, turn over the battery pack, and you're going to want to locate the two posts into these holes. After you line those up, then use the screws that were provided with the battery pack. Don't use any other screws. Then once the screws are in, you can now install the battery. So with the battery, you're going to want to find this side up. Make sure you can see that. Then on the end of the battery, you're going to find all the ports. You might have to peel off the protector to see them. So make sure that these are on the other side of your iPad. Then plug in the battery, slide it all the way to the back till it stops. Then take your cable and plug it into the in-out port of the battery. I also want to note that you can't simultaneously charge the battery and the iPad at the same time. So to do that, you have to unplug the battery, take out the battery, and we recommend hot swapping it. So you would have two of these batteries. You would go charge the drained battery and then replace it with a new battery. Plug that in, plug in the cable, then it's ready to go. Now for a hand strap, you can put this in any direction that you want, this way, or even this way. So first thing that you want to do is take out one of the screws from the module connecting to the iPad and locate a long screw. You'll have two long screws and two short screws. The short screws are only to be used on this back side of the iPad. Don't use a long one because it could possibly go through and damage the iPad. So on the hand strap, you're going to find the side without a buckle. Put your long screw in, then reinstall. Once that's down, you can take the other end with the buckle, put in your short screw. Make sure that you have a lock washer on each of the screws. Screw that in to the top hole here. And then from here, you can take the strap out and adjust it as you need. So tighter, you just pull this, and then to loosen it, you just pull the buckle back and it'll be looser. Then you can manage the extra cable or the extra strap into the hand strap here, and it's ready to go.